Today I'm going to be reviewing this jump starter. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out. So if you are someone that travels often, or maybe you have an older vehicle, or maybe you just want to be prepared if in case your battery runs out from your vehicle, then this is the perfect thing to have with you. I've actually had one of these in the past, and it has been an amazing thing to carry in the car with me. So I'm going to go ahead and show you all the compartments that are inside of the box. So first and foremost, you will receive your user manual. So it's going to go ahead and explain to you what this actually is, how to work it, what it is useful for. Not only is it a jump starter, but you could actually use this to power on and charge up your mobile tablet, your phone. If you are out camping, so if you enjoy camping, you could also use this. It actually also has a LED light, so it has lighting if in case you're somewhere like in a rural area where there is no light. It actually has light, and it is 1P67 waterproof. So I just wanted to go ahead and walk you through that, and then I'm going to show you the actual jump starter. But here it's going to go ahead and just label everything on what each part is. Like I read to you right now, these are all the things that it works for as well. So another manual that is included is the Smart Jump Starter Clamp User Manual. So you do want to make sure, especially when you're working with a car vehicle battery, that you do it correctly. So here it does show you the indicator for the clamps. It kind of walks you through that. So I do like that this is included, especially if you're a beginner or you don't do this often like myself. Then I absolutely love that this is included, because you could go ahead and just take it on the go with you. So if in case you ever need to, you have this for reference. Just a little thank you card from the company. This is a neat thing that was included. This is actually a multi-purpose pocket survival tool. So that is super cool. It came in like a little leather pouch like this, and this is what it looks like. Super cool. That's included. So again, if you're going camping or anything like that, this is actually something to have with you. All right, next, here is the jump starter. It comes in a little bag like this. So once you're done using it, you could simply place it back in the bag and you're ready to go. It is not heavy. It is actually pretty lightweight. So this is perfect to put in your trunk or in your glove compartment box to have it with you at all times. So here is the charging cable. You do get a charging cable that is included. So it is a type C to USB. Let's go ahead and take the jump starter out. All right, so this is what the jump starter looks like. It actually looks identical to the picture. Super nice. Look at the bottom. Inside of the box, we do get the clamps as well. So you get the red and black clamp. This is what will be connected to your car battery. So this is going to go ahead and be what's going to give it the power, and this is going to be connected directly to your car battery. And here is what that looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and power it on now. So you can see it has the light indicators right there. I'm going to turn on the light. So this is a perfect, like I mentioned, if in case you are ever stranded or if you need some extra light, this also works as a light. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off now. I will show you how powerful the light is right now. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the light and then just show you. I'm going to walk you briefly through every single detail on this jump starter. So I'm going to flip my camera over and show you what that looks like. All right, so this is the jump starter a little bit more close up. This is the main power switch. Now to the left of that, we have the light. These lights right here are the power display. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that on now just to give you a closer look. This is the power display. Now here we have our LED light. Let me turn that on just to show you a closer look on that. Here on the side, as you can see, it has the PD 100 watt input. It has a 45 watt input and a 100 watt output. As you can see, I will also use this to show you that it could charge up your phone or your tablet. So here are the outlets. On this side, it has a magnet. Opposite side of it, you have the 12-volt out. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off and show you that. It also has this outlet. So here on this side is where you will actually place your clamps. So you want to make sure you align this to this side. There you go. That's what it's gonna look like. So if you are actually going to use this on a vehicle where the battery is dead, this is a quick example of how you're going to use it. You're going to go ahead and plug it in, make sure it's turned on. You want to see that blue light on, and then you will go ahead and head to the faulty battery. What you want to do is you want to make sure that you align the colors accordingly to the battery. So you want to make sure the black goes with the black and the red with the red. Now, I did not have a dead battery to give you this example, but I have used it before. And once you plug up both the black and the red and make sure that the jump starter is on, you will go ahead and turn on your vehicle, and this will go ahead and give your battery some power. This is honestly such a simple tool to use, and it's very convenient, especially if you are left stranded and no one is around to help you jumpstart your vehicle. Like I previously mentioned, you could actually charge your mobile device or your watch or tablets with this. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I plugged my phone onto this. So I used the Type-C on both ends. I went ahead and plugged it into the phone, and as you could see here, it is giving my phone charge. I also wanted to try it out and see if it would work with my watch. So I went ahead and used my own watch cord, and as you could see, it powered it up as well. So if you've been on the lookout for a portable battery jump starter that is very versatile, then I'd highly recommend. I'll go ahead and leave a link down below. Also, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.